Spring is finally here, and we are enjoying every minute of it. I was able to cut fresh flowers and bring them in for the first time. We've been playing outside until dark, and I thought, what better way to ring in spring than with a chocolate cake? I started by preheating the oven to 350, and then I ground enough grain to have 2 cups of flour. Here's what you'll need for the recipe. Alright, now you're going to measure out your flour, coconut oil, sourdough starter, water, and eggs into a bowl. You'll mix them up and then set it aside with a towel covering it while you mix the rest of the ingredients. Next, get a clean bowl and mix together your sugar, salt, and espresso powder, and then you'll add in the cocoa powder and the vanilla. Next, you'll stir in the vanilla and the milk. Now add your cocoa mixture to the sourdough mixture, and you're going to stir it really well till it's completely blended. Lastly, you're going to add and mix in your baking soda. You can either grease 2 8-inch round cake pans or 1 9x13. Pour in your cake batter and make sure they're spread evenly in your pans. I set my timer for 40 minutes, but the cake wasn't done until about 55 minutes. But at 40 minutes, it's a good idea to check it. Now I'm brewing some tea for my son, who happens to have a cold right now. I have a peppermint plant in my garden that I like to dry the leaves of and save them in little jars to make tea with. I also have chamomile and lemon balm leaves that I like to use also sometimes. You just put them in the little tea balls, close them up tight, and make your own tea bag. Add a bit of raw honey, and it is such a soothing drink. When you've tested your cake and it's completely finished cooking, take it out and just set it aside while you make the frosting. For the frosting, you'll need 2 sticks of softened butter, and you can mix those up until they're nice and light and fluffy. Add in a 1/2 cup of cocoa powder and mix that in as well. Now for the cup of powdered sugar that the recipe calls for, I just blend up a cup of sugar until it's white and fine. Pour it in and mix it up. Add in 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk to make your frosting nice and creamy. You want your cake to be cool when you frost it because the frosting is butter-based, so it melts really easily. Mine was still a little bit warm, you'll see, but it turned out nicely. But it tasted fabulous. I hope you've enjoyed this video and that it blesses you on your homemaking journey.